Are you curious about the captivating journey of our world through time? Let's embark on a brief overview of world history, taking a quick glimpse at the major periods and events that have shaped our diverse and vibrant civilization. We begin our voyage in the ancient civilizations, spanning from 3000 BCE to 500 CE. During this time, remarkable cultures emerged in Mesopotamia, Egypt, Greece, Rome, China, and India. These civilizations bloomed with immense contributions that continue to influence our lives today. They gifted us with the foundations of writing, philosophy, democracy, awe-inspiring architecture, and flourishing trade routes that interconnected the world. As we sail forward in time, we arrive at the Middle Ages, which extended from 500 to 1500 CE. This era witnessed the widespread dissemination of Christianity and Islam, two major religions that left an indelible mark on humanity. Feudalism, the hierarchical social system, prevailed, accompanied by the tumultuous events of the Crusades and the devastating tragedy of the Black Death. And amidst the darkness, the Renaissance in Europe emerged as a glorious revival, fostering a renewed interest in art, literature, and scientific knowledge. Our journey continues towards the exhilarating age of exploration, spanning from 1500 to 1800 CE. European powers embarked on daring voyages, unveiling newfound lands and leaving an enduring impact on the Americas, Africa, and Asia through colonization. This era opened doors to unprecedented exchange and interactions between cultures, transforming the course of history forever. The Industrial Revolution, a transformative period from 1800 to 1900 CE, witnessed remarkable technological advancements and unprecedented economic changes. The world witnessed the rise of machinery, steam power, and urbanization that reshaped societies, economies, and industries. However, it also saw the emergence of imperialism and global conflicts, pushing the boundaries of nations and reshuffling power dynamics across continents. We then delve into the tumultuous period of the World Wars and the Cold War, spanning from 1900 to 2000 CE. These decades were marred by two devastating global conflicts that gave rise to ideological divisions and reshaped geopolitical landscapes. The establishment of the United Nations aimed to foster international cooperation and restore harmony amidst a divided world. Now, as we navigate closer to the present, we find ourselves within the realms of the modern era, from 2000 CE to the present day. This era is characterized by globalization, remarkable technological advancements, and notable social changes. The world is becoming increasingly interconnected, transcending physical and cultural boundaries. However, this new world order also presents emerging challenges that call for shared responsibility, sustainable solutions, and inclusive growth. And so, as we conclude our journey through time, this brief overview of world history has given you
a glimpse of the remarkable
tapestry of our past, from the ancient civilizations that shaped the foundations of humanity to the modern era brimming with endless possibilities. Let us cherish the lessons of history as we face the present and forge our path towards a brighter future.